I installed the Adobe Premiere Rush 2024. But when I opened the file, the error MSVCP110.dll was not found appear. So most of the time, this problem occurred in mostly in latest games or 3D gaming. So the thing I remember installing this kind of problem is installing the Visual Studio package, which is you can find it as vcredis vc what do we call that vcredis with vc underscore redis 2004. So I download this the x60 x64 version since my version of Windows is Windows 10. So after downloading the what do you call that an add-ons of Microsoft, I install it. This is Microsoft Visual Studio C++ 2015 to 2022. Okay, we already installed the file, but the problem still appear. So I think there is something wrong with the version. So we'll check the forum on the internet. What is the problem? Oh, okay. Let's start reading. Let's let's see what's their advice. Version 2012. So this error is about the add-ons of Visual Studio 2012. So we need to download the since the my Windows is 64-bit version, Windows 10. I will download the 64-bit, which is vcredis underscore x64. Well, check this file, download complete, then install. Okay, close. Adobe Premiere Rush. Tantra, let's okay. It's now working. So we need to download the Visual Studio version. What do we call that? Version 2012. Okay, it's already fixed. Thanks for watching.